everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make card using cardstock and decorative tape. As you saw in my video last week, I got some decorative tape. Now I'm going to make a card. A family member's birthday is coming up, so I am going to make a card dedicated to them. So I'm going to pull out some decorative tape. I'm going to pull out brown. I got some red. And this is kind of catered to them. This is catered to their interest and stuff like that. And I have a, there we go. So there we go. I have my 4 tapes that I need. And I have my new cardstock here. You can get this one at Staples just like the other paper. So I'm going to open it up. Just bear with me, please. I want to keep this semi in there. Okay, so I got this open. So just like in other videos, I'm going to fold the card this way. Alright, so I have my card. So now what I want to do is take my decorative tape just like this, tear it off, and there we go. So that's what it's going to look like. Now, the reason I'm doing it this way is because this particular family member has a bunch of cars. So what I'm doing is I'm basing the tape that I use off the color of the cars. And I'm going to use some pastel pencils to write what I need to write. So this is what the card looks like. Because this particular person has a red car, brown car, blue car, and a black car and primer. So now, so I don't have to get other stuff out, I'm going to improvise here, and this family member is actually okay with it. These are pastel pencils. So I'm going to take the gray one, because one of the cars has a gray interior, and give me just a second. I'm going to take the paper and I'm going to do this. So now I'm going to write and I'm going to do it kind of, you could do this for any type of card. I'm just doing it for a family member whose birthday is coming up. Now I'm only going to show the outside because the inside I want to leave for this particular, cater to this particular family member. So now So this is what it looks like. I'm going to add a little design down here. And there you have it. Now, like I said, as a normal card, you do write stuff on the inside, but this is extremely custom, so this is as far as I'm going to show. So this is catered to this particular family member, like I said, and this is decorative tape. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.